Okay, this is barn finding Geoff. These are Mark II Cortinas we're interested in. This one's a 1600 four-door with really nice interior, but it's an automatic. Headlining is reasonable. Upholstery is mint, as are the carpets and so forth. Get inside here. There's the dashboard. It's got a GT dashboard in it. So the guy said the owner made things up to what he wanted. So I think that's why he got the extra gauges in here. We'll have a look under the bonnet. There we go. 1600 cross flow. Body's not too bad on this. That's being welded on the struts. Engine looks reasonable.
So there's that too. Yeah. Neither one of those was there.
So, a bit of rust bubbling on the wings. Then we go down to this one, which has got a really bad body. This is a 1600 GT. Two-door. Manual box. A couple of cracks at the top of the dash pad. But the interior, headlining's good, but it needs reupholstering, and the back seats. Glass is good. I can lift this up. It's got a 1600 GT with headers. Okay, which it should have. There should be a Weber underneath there. Okay. We'll take a look at the other car. Hang on. Let's take a video of this other car. This is just a body only. It's a GT body. No engine. Oh look. But there is no top of the strut towers. Are good. Just doesn't have an engine. Got bumper. No interior. But actually quite a solid car.
Yeah.
Apart from
a little bit of some corrosion in here.
Yeah.
It's not bad.
So one of the ideas could be to buy 3 cars. This one, and this one, and make one good one. Let's have a look under and.
And you say one of the cells is chewed out, eh?
No. I got an extra kill with one of the other cars.
Oh, I see.
Seems solid here. Bit of rust on that corner down there.
Yeah, down here it's.
Yeah, a bit right.
This is the side that's screwed. That side's just.
So that body looks fairly dry and clean.
Now that I look at that, I might have one.
Glass is good. So quick look down the side here. If I can do that. Okay. That's the side. Looks okay. That is it for now. There's more Cortinas here. There's a red one back there, which is a 1300. So quick look at this 1300 while I'm at it. I can't get very close to it. But yeah, I can just see from here the interior shot. Windshield is good. Oh, I can open it. I can't really open it. Anyway, this is a 1300, apparently. That's it for now.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
and so they never made them.